Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python Elif statement in branching control structure. So first of all, what is this control structure in Python? So branching control structure. So control means condition, true, false. Structure means block of code, and that too indented block of code. So coming to the definition, it goes like this: executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. So Elif. So what is this Elif? So coming to Elif statement, it provides an alternate condition to else part in if else statement. Okay, so in if else statement, else does not have a condition, so for that else part it will provide an alternate condition. Okay, so syntax goes like this: if condition 1 true, execute corresponding indented if block of statements. If the condition is false, then it will come to elif condition 2, means in the else part we are putting if condition. So if condition 2 is true, it will execute statement 2, indented block of code for elif condition 2. If it is false, then it will come to else if or elif condition 3, true. It will execute indented block of code for elif condition 3, true. So if no condition is true, then last else part indented block of code is executed. Now here we have one important point. Okay, so after executing a particular indented block of code for condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 block of statements, so what it is going to do, it will skip remaining conditions and last else indented block of code and comes out of the control structure. Okay, so whichever condition is true, its corresponding indented block of code is executed and remaining conditions and else block is skipped. Okay, so that is what is the speciality of elif statement. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So here I'm accepting an input: enter any integer number, positive, negative, 0. Convert that into integer and store that in num. Check if number equal to 0. If number equal to 0, print given number is 0 and directly it will come out of the control structure and print end of the program. Okay, right. So if number is not equals to 0, it will come to else if elif condition 2, number less than 0, then it will print negative number and directly come out. End of the program. It will skip remaining elif conditions and else part. Okay, so if number is not less than 0, obviously it is greater than 0. So greater than 0, I'm checking number divided by 2, remainder equal to 0. So positive number, if it is divided by 2, remainder equal to 0, then print given number is positive even. Okay, otherwise last else part, if no condition is true, it will print given number is positive odd, and finally end of the program. Okay, so whichever condition is true, its corresponding true part body, indented body, is executed and directly comes out of the control structure. So let us execute this. Py python elif statement example1 dot py. So first I'll take 0. So number is 0, end of the program directly. Next, minus 11, number is negative, end of the program. So first, minus 11 equal to 0, false. Elif minus 11 less than 0, true. Given number is negative, it will skip remaining elif statement and else statement directly, end of the program. Right. Next, 10. It is a positive even number. Next, let us take minus 10. It is negative number. Okay. If you take 11, positive odd number. Last else part is executed. So this is how we are supposed to work with elif statement, which comes under branching control structure in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.